Hello ladies and welcome to our channel. Today's video is about pixie haircut, which is a timeless option for everybody. So ladies, let us begin our pixie haircut video. This is a curly pixie. As you know that curly pixie has always been a fashion around girls and it looks really amazing. Ladies, if you are going for a pixie haircut or looking for a pixie haircut, this is the best video you can come for. Ladies, you can see this is a classic pixie haircut and this is a long pixie haircut. You can see how amazing and playful this looks like. This is a classic pixie and it is for the women of all ages. If you are in 30s or your 40s, you must go for a pixie haircut as it gives you a much younger look and beauty to your style. This is a bob pixie, ladies and gentlemen, and look how amazing these pixies are looking. This is a longer pixie which has longer hair on the sides of the hair. Ladies, pixie haircut add an edgy and modern touch to an outfit. Whether you are dressing up for your formal event or keep it casual for everyday wear, they effortlessly elevate your overall look. Ladies, if you are looking for a chic and contemporary look, you must opt for pixie haircut once in a lifetime as it provides a bold statement to your look. It has always been a fashion to have a pixie haircut as these are very trending, these are very easy to carry. These pixie haircuts are for those people who want a mess-free life and they want to look bold. Pixie haircut need minimum 5 minutes of hair styling and minimum hair products as well. You want a hassle-free life? Then go for a pixie haircut as it is a timeless choice for everybody. It provides glamour to your face by enhancing your features and giving your features a bold statement and a prominent look. Pixie haircut draw attention to the necklines and facial features like this one, allowing for the spotlight, jewelry, scarves or high neck outfits. This is a model which have pixie haircut and which is a fashion statement as well. So this is all for today, ladies. Hope you will enjoy this video. So thank you everyone for watching our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.